Outlawed from city streets, for many years Japanese street racers took to the winding mountain passes to battle their chariots. A style of racing which rewards precision driving and nail-biting proximity. They called it the Touge. If you're in the lead, the aim is to pull away, and if you're chasing, well, you better not let that car out of your sights. Winners are crowned based on their dedication to the drive, pushing both their abilities and machines to the absolute limit. Now imagine you're in the latest Toyota Supra with Drift King Keiichi Tsuchiya at the wheel. As you're blistering through the tight corners, you're on the edge of your seat and you catch the glimpse of another Supra. It's Time Attack legend Under Suzuki quickly gaining ground behind you. As you look around, you realise you're not in the hills of Gunsai. You're at Sydney Motorsport Park in front of thousands of race fans during World Time Attack weekend. You could win one of 4 ride-along experiences in the new Toyota GR Supra exclusively at World Time Attack. All you have to do is buy a World Time Attack 2-day SUPERPASS or VIP ticket before the 30th of September. More info and full terms and conditions at worldtimeattack.com.